The boy who outsmarted the teacher in a quiet village school in Brunswick, Germany, sometime in the late 1700s, a group of restless boys shuffled into their classroom. The teacher, tired of the usual noise and mischief, decided to give the students a task, one that would keep them busy for a while. He turned to the blackboard and wrote, "Add all the numbers from 1 to 100. The class groaned. Some picked up their slates and started writing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, but one boy, quiet, sharp-eyed, and no older than 7, sat silently for a moment. His name was Carl Friedrich Gauss. While the others were busy counting one by one, Carl stared ahead. Then, almost like lightning, he stood up and placed his slate on the teacher's desk. The teacher frowned. "Finished already, Gauss?" Carl nodded. On the slate was a single number. 5050. The teacher raised an eyebrow. "Are you sure?" Carl smiled politely. "Yes, sir. I found a faster way." Intrigued, the teacher asked him to explain. Carl said, "I noticed that 1 and 100 make 101. So do 2 and 99, and 3 and 98. There are 50 pairs, and each pair adds to 101. So I just did 50 101. The room fell silent. The teacher stared in amazement. In that moment, he realized, this was no ordinary child. This boy was a mathematical genius in the making. And so, what began as a simple classroom distraction became the first spark in the brilliant life of Carl Friedrich Gauss, who would grow up to become one of the greatest mathematicians the world has ever known.